Right, the problem we've got here is these lights are on a switch down here. That is for that one outside. And these are for that one's for this switch. So these come on, and then you go upstairs, and then you turn the landing lights on, which is fine. But once you get up there, you can only turn the landing lights off. And these always get left on. But as electricians, every problem has a solution. And the solution is from Bell Lighting. CCT, so you can colour change and do the wattage as well. Switchable, fire downlight lights with a PIR sensor. And it's built in. So the plan is, that's just your bezel. Look, PIR sensor, dip switches under there, I'm assuming. Yes, to set them up. And there's your colour selectable and your 5 and 7 watt. So this should just sense when people are in the area and go off. Perfect. So let's have a look, see how someone's wired this. Yeah, I've done a good job really. Pretty good, nice, neat and tidy job. Fantastic. Well, it hasn't been done long by the looks of it. So let's get these out, push fit. And all I want to find out now is which one loops the supply and which one is the mains. It looks like, I'm going to guess and say that one. And this one is clipped up there, isn't it? And I'm just going to confirm that that is the loop supply. Yep. Oh, sugar. There. Nothing on the neutral. Nothing on the neutral. But then that is the loop supply to the light. So yeah, that's the loop supply. And that'll just be a light. So let's put that up first. So all we're going to do with this one is put it inside the plug, which the Bell light fittings come with. So we'll have live. Oh, I hate that. Stupid thing. Where did it go? Don't even know. Flipping stupid thing. Luckily we have some of this on this sleeve it. Right. I hate it when that happens. Right, so that is your loop supply. So inside this one, it's a little bit different. L1 will be it going out. So we want this in neutral, this in the earth, in there, like, that ain't going in very well, is it? This in there, like so. Go on, that's it. In there, and this one will go into L1. Which, funnily enough, why have they done it in grey? So the loop supply, common with the neutral, common with the earth, and then this one will go into L1. So that's the L1, which will be the switched gone out, because this will be like the primary one that controls the lighting circuit with the PIR. We don't need all of them being PIR. So this one will be the live coming in, and then obviously your earth, which is common. Let's get this in there. So they're all in just like that. And then we can plug the light in. This is the little brains of it all. Plug the light in, put it up inside the ceiling, because obviously there's plenty of room. And then we can set it up. I'm just going to put it on here for now to make sure that everything's okay. Right, but this, obviously I don't want that switch in there anymore. So we've got to get rid of this switch and put a 2-gang plate on there. So then we want that for the two-way switching upstairs. That one can get lost. Put that in a pocket. And we should just be able to, because that's the outside light. And then that one, you just slot in there. And hey presto. Keep that, my bit of copper. And then switch them back on. That one, that one. Right, so they're off. You walk out. That's alright, it shouldn't come on because it's lovely and bright. But when it's dark, wait till cover over that. It's dark, you cover that over. Yes, it'll come on. So these little Bell light fittings with a PIR, and they come on the same as well. I thought that might come on, and then that one. It comes on together. Spot on, fantastic, do the job. Stop people leaving the lights on. Oh, and the finishing touches with these Bell light fittings. Ta-da! Magnetic bezel.